Do you know how easy this is for me? Do you have an idea how easy this is? This is a joke.
What's going on, everybody? So, if you've seen the recent video of me technically unboxing my Nintendo Switch Lite Hyrule Edition, I guess you already know that I, in fact, rebought the Nintendo Switch. Now, I actually haven't owned a Nintendo Switch in a long time. I sold mine along with my entire library for it because I never thought I would need a Nintendo Switch again. But recently I thought, hey, what the hell? Let me take a risk since there are so many good games like Sonic Generations, the Batman trilogy, Tears of the Kingdom, Metroid Prime Remastered, and the new Metroid Prime 4 finally coming out. I was specifically waiting for a release date for Metroid Prime 4 before getting a Nintendo Switch again, and well, a couple months ago we actually got something. So, what am I doing with a Nintendo Switch? I have no goddamn idea. While buying the thing, I already felt some premature buyer's remorse, but with actually getting the proper accessories for the Nintendo Switch Lite and playing a few games, I found myself falling back in love with Nintendo Switch, and not for the same reasons I did before. Simply for the portability. The Nintendo Switch Lite is the most portable and the most powerful system with the best customer service, hands down. I talked to them recently because my account has been frozen apparently for some time, and they unfroze it like in 10 minutes, which is not bad considering certain customer service agents out there just do not solve your issues whatsoever. But yes, I finally have the Nintendo Switch Lite, or just a Nintendo Switch again. So I just can't wait to get back into the accessories and go ham like I did before. There were so many accessories I didn't tell you guys about back when I was enjoying my Nintendo Switch, but I tend to enjoy the truly special things by myself. And that's not saying anything underhanded about the Legion Go, ROG Ally, or Steam Deck. Those are all special handhelds. The Nintendo Switch was the first to do it, and I started thinking about that last night. I thought to myself, man, that gold Hyrule edition of Nintendo Switch Lite looks pretty sexy. But also, the Nintendo Switch started everything. Not having it is kind of like not having the Bible in your house. Like, what are you doing? If you have the other handhelds, why don't you have the original? That's the simple reason why I decided to get it. But besides that, like I said before, all of those amazing games have finally arrived on a Nintendo Switch, which I was waiting for. Just like with Resident Evil 4, I didn't have a Nintendo Switch before Resident Evil 4, but after it finally released, I bought one again. Now, the same thing went for the rest of the Resident Evil games and Tears of the Kingdom. I really wanted to get back in Tears of the Kingdom, but I didn't want a Nintendo Switch. But now I finally have the time and the system to properly play it, because let's face it, a lot of people tried to emulate it because they didn't want to support Nintendo because of their practices, and also maybe they didn't like the Nintendo Switch. But emulating the game wasn't exactly the best if you had a lower spec handheld like the Steam Deck. But if you had something like the ROG Ally, it worked to a point. Now, I tried playing Tears of the Kingdom on my ROG Ally and Legion Go, and honestly I was incredibly disappointed by the performance, just the raw performance with default settings and everything. Of course, you have to tweak this, tweak that. You know what? Tweak it all. I don't really give a shit anymore. I went back to the Nintendo Switch because honestly, turning on the ROG Ally, having Armory Crate just do some kind of weird crap every once in a while, even after I've updated Windows, it decides not to work. So I got the blue screen of death with the ROG Ally for like 5 seconds and went back into gaming. Then I started to think, man, I am tired of picking up my handheld, specifically my Windows 11 handheld, or any other experimental OS like SteamOS with its many hitches, crashes, hangups. These systems definitely do not perform like the Nintendo Switch, and never will, because Nintendo specially made all of these games specifically for the Nintendo Switch because they just have that much damn money. A lot of these other companies don't have anywhere near what Nintendo makes and the profits that they build up. And well, Nintendo got up to a point where they got so much profit that they decided to just make the most powerful handheld in history. So yeah, the Nintendo Switch Lite, I might make videos about it, or I might just stick to shorts with this one. Let me know in the comments below what you would prefer. Nintendo Switch Lite videos that are kind of light and short, i.e. shorts, or entire videos kind of explaining performance, giving my compatibility grade with the full 5 to 10 minute runtime. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Later.
What? What I was tracking was him. I won't let him escape again.